I'm an official member of FOREX BD. Many people have come to watch the video after seeing the thumbnail and the title of the video. I hope you will not be disappointed after watching this video, and I will teach you something good today. Many people will be very surprised to see the video, how we recover so many loss. The only thing is that it's shown on a demo account. The only reason to keep such thumbnail and title is that you put attention in this video. So viewers, I'm an official member of FOREX BD. A few days ago, someone suddenly requested to our admin sir that he faced a big danger in Forex. He has a large amount of running loss in his real account. So suddenly he asked for help. Although his name does not come to our mind, so if you have seen the video, of course comment in the comment box of the video. Let me know the details in your experience and in our comment box. Anyway, he told me, sir, there was a lot of loss in my account. The small amount was maybe like $1,000. He probably don't set up SL. Maybe he thought that he took the entry. Maybe the maximum of 100 pips will go to minus, then it comes to his TP. But unfortunately that trade don't go to his TP. Pressure is created by a trader who knows how much hypertension he is facing. Suddenly when 70 to 80% of the balance is in loss, he is finding a solution. After giving me a call, I make a simple suggestion which I will share with you. So that why I opened a demo account where I had running trade, so that I could show you how to deal with such a big loss or what kind of decision a trader needs to make. Here I put two entries together because I can show you when I make loss. Suppose I make a buy order and it comes to my profit, then I will not able to show it. So I took two order. Now I close my one entry which was in profit. Now we can see our running trade in minus. Like my balance is $10,000 and minus is $8,700. That means 70 or 80% on the balance. Now we have to make a decision without any delay. So the decision I made to him is that if you sell or buy, make a trade on the opposite side. If you trade one lot at first, then you will trade 50%, that is 0.50 lot, put a trade on the opposite side. Because if you sell and if the market continues to go up, then ultimately your balance will become zero at once. There will be no psychological issue if the red sign is shown in your account. 70% or 80% minus, then if you see what is in my luck and keep thinking, and you are thinking that there will be something good in my destiny, but it's totally wrong because the forex market does not go with emotion. So at that time you have to make a decision, because losing a large amount from the account is a big stress for everyone, and that decision is that you have to take a trade on the opposite side in 50% lot size. That means if you trade $1 lot at the first time, then you have to trade 0.50 lot at the second time in the opposite side. That means 50% lot size. I have taken a trade in 10 lots here to show you. Now I will take a reverse entry by $5. This means that there is a sell entry with a large amount around $10,000, which is 70 to 80% of the total balance, and we will now order as opposite this entry to get rid of the big loss. So what do you do? Here if 10 lots or 1 lots if you trade, then you will not use the same lot size. Like if you take 0.10 lot size or $1 lot size at first entry, then you will take entry against its 50% lot. Then if you take entry in $10 lot, then half of it is $5 lots, and we will buy from here. It means that if the market goes up, the trade that you took in 10 lots or 1 lots you lost, now all you have to do is recover some loss. Like from here, when you have traded in 5 lots, when it goes up, the loss of your first entry will increase and the profit will continue to increase in the second entry, because we made buy order in the second entry. So this point will help you to recover the loss of the first entry. That means your balance will not be zero. In that case, this entry will support you. Since the first entry will have a large loss, the second entry will help you to recover the loss. So the thing is, when the market goes up, when you get some profit, your loss increase at the first entry. So the main thing is that your loss on the one side is increasing, and on the other hand, some of your loss are being recovered in the second entry. Now many may think the question is whether I will sit with the entry. Yes, since you traded without SL or traded with more confidence on your strategy, so you have to wait because overconfidence is not good. Since you traded with more confidence, there is nothing to do now. And if you leave it to chance or do nothing, and if the market goes up, your balance will be zero. In that case, this entry will help you to recover some loss. So we have taken two entries here, and when the market moves closer to our first entry or moves to this point, our loss will be greatly reduced. That means you will lose half of what you were supposed to lose. This means that if your balance is $1,000 and the market comes to this point, you will have a loss of $400 or $500. So you can save even half of your balance. What I meant was that your balance will not be at least zero. You can save up to $200, $300 or $500 or 40% to 50% of your balance. And with that dollar, you will be able to find out your problem later and be better and more skillful, and you will be pick up your lost money. But if your balance become absolutely zero, then you will break down a lot mentally.
And many are regularly asking the FOREX PD official team how to get FOREX signal. The FOREX PD team is now working with a group where several group admins provide the signal. If you want, you must first see the free signal, understood, then join. Hopefully all FOREX traders have already understood the importance of FOREX BD's 10 pips, 20 pips SL based signal. Since many group admin traders are providing the signal, I would personally request you to apply less SL signal. FOREX BD only work in this group, not the owner of this group. So any mistake in future, FOREX BD is not responsible in any way. So be sure to check the free signal first. If you like, then join and work on low SL based signal. Or many traders do forex with loans or borrowing, which we don't prefer at all. We have a video about it. You must watch this video if you want to take loan to do trade. It's very scary in terms of trading. It will never be successful. For example, when you take loan, then you will be in pressure, like when I will return his money, what will do if this money is lost? Ultimately, you will be under a pressure, and from that pressure you will make mistake. Of course, no more thing to keep in mind, all the time you will trade in reverse with half risk. But not that. If your loss is high and you are trading at $1 lot, you can take the opposite trade at 60 cents instead of 50 cents. If the amount of your loss is more like 70% to 80%, then there is nothing else to do than you have to reverse the lot size to recover the loss. This means that if you have traded $1 lot at first, you can trade at 60 cents or 65 cents to cover it. Another thing keep in mind is that if you take a sell entry and if the market goes down from up, then your loss will decrease, and if the sell entry goes to profit, then you will give SL above the first entry in the reverse trade. That means on the top of the entry that you took first. Then if your luck is good, then the market will come down and your entry will be closed. That is, your second entry will be closed. Again, if the market goes down further, then you will put SL on the top of the entry for the first entry. If it is in your profit, then your luck is good. This will cover the loss in the second entry, and if the profit doesn't come, then you will close the trade when the market come to your entry, and it will close, so there will be no loss in the first entry and there will be some loss in the second entry, but it will not be zero in your account because you saved your account through this entry, with which you will be able to trade better later. At least you will not be proletarian. That means your balance will not be zero. If the market goes down, that is in favor of your first entry, then the SL of the second entry that you took must be on the first entry. In other words, put it on the first entry so that the trade close when market come to first entry. And if you want, you can also close the first entry. And of course, in the end, you have to promise yourself so that there is no such mistake in life, because these mistakes are very major issue and very sensitive, because this will make your balance zero. I have said on its positive side for so long. Now I will talk about negative side. And the negative side is that you have to be active in the market during the trade. because you have to see when it comes to your first entry in the market. Then you have to close the entry and you have to come out with what is in the account so that your balance is not ultimately zero. And if the market don't came in favor of you, it goes against you, then there will be loss in the first entry, but your loss will be continue to be covered in the second entry. And you have to focus on it from the market and make quick decision. And in the end, even if you have some loss, you will cut the trade so that your loss is less. This technique is very simple. If you do the calculation correctly, then you can do it very easily. Again, suppose the market is going up. You are taking trade continuously by entry. That is, you take a trade a lot without taking one. This is increasing your lot size. If any news start and goes against you, then you will be finished. So if you save some amount without zeroing your account, you will be able to recover that loss again by trading more in future. That's why I shared this technique with you. I hope this little technique will help you. Many times many people do copy trading, but in such a moment it don't take long for the account to become zero. Then it will be seen that the person who did the trade may not have been in the market. So you have to do something on your own to save your account at the time. Sitting on the others all the time will not work. Always try to be dependent on yourself, because Forex is never based on other. And of course, let us know about the video by commenting, because if we get 1000 likes and comment on this video, we will come up with better video for you.
For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is ICM Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is FOREX, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by Forex BD's link, you will get benefit. Forex BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your skill and $1 account by Forex BD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by Forex BD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description.
So viewers, a humble request to you, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you.
Be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye. Tata.